What's going on, world? It's your boy Carbonate. Welcome to Epic Whipz, mate. And today I'm doing something real simple. I'm gonna be taking out this unused air pump that I have in the Rx8. Now, since I got a full exhaust from the headers back, this right here, we don't really need it. It pretty much all it does, it pumps air into the catalyst converter for emissions purposes. So, not something that we really need anymore because we took out the catalyst converter. Happens. Anyway, so we're gonna be taking this out. First things first, let's take out this strut bar so we can get some space going. Also, I already jacked it up. Ooh, that looks so nice right there. Just love that shine and that TN string. So pretty much took off the wheel already, jacked it up. I'm gonna take that off and get back to it and show you what we got going on. All right, so took off that strut bar and pretty much that's gone. Now this right here pretty much took out the screw that was here, nut that was here, and I undid this over here with these and literally unplug everything else, and you can take this thing right out. Right, boom. Next, down there's two other screws, and see those two screws down there, that area. We'll take those out, and pretty much this thing comes out. Very simple. So you pretty much take these off, and then you need this, whatever this ballast is, you need to keep that. So we're gonna pretty much find a place to put it. Might put it back down there, who knows. All right, so what we have here, pretty much stay. This right here, that screw, you want to take that out. So you just have a little bit of, it wiggles just a little bit. I'm gonna be wrapping this. It's horrible to expose wires like that. I'm gonna wrap that before I finish up. But yeah, that's how we looking so far. Let's put this up here for now. I just still don't know where I'm gonna be putting that. See that right there? I'm gonna put this right there. You can see it. That right there. That is what you wanna unscrew. Right there. There's another one on the other side. To get to that, you need a swivel. So when you get yourself one of these swivel things, right? Let's see if we can get in there. Which I'm gonna try to get in there right now. See if we can do it. Once we get that off, we can take this bad boy off. So we got that bad boy out. Yep. It's very simple. Once you take off the other screw over there, that nut, you just wiggle it out, right out. Simple. And don't forget that little hose that goes right on top here. Let's take that off too. It's right here. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put that. So we got that block off plate in there. Pretty simple to put on, obviously. Just two nuts. Bada bing, bada boom. Done. That's what we did down here. So what I did, this bracket that fuel pump actuator is on, or whatever you want to call it, is literally I cut it off from this right here. I was holding it literally, so I just cut that off and used it because I don't have a screw that'll fit the back of that actuator or whatever you want to call it. So just fab something and it works. Beautiful. Put some electric tape on this bad boy over here. Hide that up. And put that on there. That hose line. Hold on. So what ended up happening was that this hose did not stay and became loose. I ended up getting a vacuum leak, which was bad. So I ended up cutting the hose and capping it with a vacuum hose cap, as you see here. Done. Now what we're gonna do, we just left this here right here. It's not really gonna go anywhere. I'll figure that out sooner or later. And we're just gonna put the bracket back on, put the wheel back on, and that'll be that, man. Get started up.